In June 2022, Marcus was unemployed, living with his parents with exactly $0 in revenue. Today, 19 months later, he makes $43,000 per month. And he did it with a system so simple, most people overlook it. This is his exact blueprint, step by step, number by number. Let me show you where Marcus started. 28 years old, computer science degree. Just got laid off from a tech startup. No savings. $12,000 in credit card debt. Living in his childhood bedroom. Sending out resumes every day. Getting ghosted. He spent 3 months doing this. Nothing changed until he realized something. The job market didn't care about him, so he stopped waiting for permission, and he built his own system. Here's what Marcus did in month 1. He stopped applying for jobs completely. Instead, he spent 14 hours a day learning a single skill, no code development. Specifically, building web apps with bubble.io, not coding, no code. This is critical. He didn't have time to learn Python or JavaScript. He needed to build products fast, so he chose the fastest tool. In 30 days, he built 3 simple apps: a habit tracker, a budget calculator, a meeting scheduler. None of them were perfect, but they worked. And here's the key. He launched all 3. Imperfect, incomplete, but live. Month 2. Marcus didn't get rich yet. His 3 apps made $0. But he learned something more valuable than money. He learned what people actually wanted. The habit tracker? Nobody used it. The budget calculator? Got 50 signups. The meeting scheduler? Got 500 signups in 2 weeks. That was his signal. People needed meeting scheduling. So he doubled down. He spent the entire second month improving that one app, adding features users requested, integrating with Google Calendar, adding payment processing. By the end of month 2, he had a product worth paying for, and he charged $15 per month. Month 3. This is where the system clicked. Marcus got his first 10 paying customers. That's $150 per month in revenue. Not life-changing, but proof the system worked. Here's what most people don't understand. Those first 10 customers weren't from ads. They weren't from social media. They were from one place. Product Hunt. Marcus launched his meeting scheduler app on Product Hunt. It got 300 upvotes, ranked number 5 product of the day. And 10 people paid immediately. This taught him the most important lesson. Distribution matters more than product. You can build the best app in the world, but if nobody sees it, it's worthless. Months 4 through 6. Marcus repeated the Product Hunt strategy, but smarter. He built features users wanted. Then he relaunched on Product Hunt every time he added something major. New feature, new launch. Integration added, new launch. This is called launch momentum, and it works. By month 6, he had 60 paying customers. That's $900 per month. Still not enough to quit his job hunt, but he stopped applying. He knew this was working, so he committed. All in. Here's what changed in month 7. Marcus realized he was thinking too small. $15 per month per customer? That's a hobby business, not a real business. So he pivoted. He didn't change the product. He changed the customer. Instead of targeting individuals, he targeted teams, companies, startups that needed team scheduling, and he changed the price. From $15 per user per month to $99 per team per month. Same product, different positioning, different price. This is the moment everything accelerated. Months 8 through 12. The team plan launched, and companies started buying. Why? Because $99 per month is nothing for a company. But $15 feels expensive for an individual. Pricing psychology. By month 12, Marcus had 40 companies paying $99 per month. That's $3,960 per month. plus his remaining individual users. Total monthly revenue, $4,500. Not rich yet, but sustainable. He could live on this. Month 13 was the breakthrough. Marcus got his first annual customer. A company paid $1,188 upfront for a year. One payment. 12 months of revenue. Immediately, this changed his cash flow. He used that money to hire a part-time developer, 20 hours per week. To build features faster, this is leverage. He was no longer trading all his time for money. He was building a system that scaled without him. Months 14 through 19. This is where exponential growth happened. With a developer helping, Marcus shipped features 3 times faster. More features meant more value. More value meant higher prices. He raised the team plan to $149 per month. Existing customers stayed at $99. New customers paid $149. And he added an enterprise tier, $499 per month for companies over 50 people. By month 19, the numbers look like this. 70 individual customers at $15, $1,050 per month. 120 companies at $99 to $149, roughly $14,000 per month. 28 enterprise customers at $499, $13,972 per month. Total, $43,022 per month in revenue. Let me break down the exact system Marcus used. Step 1. Take one skill you can learn fast. For Marcus, it was no code development. Could be copywriting, video editing, social media management. Doesn't matter. Take one. Master it in 30 days. Not perfect, just functional. Step 2. Build 3 quick projects. Test what people actually want. Don't guess. Build, launch, measure. The market will tell you what works. One will get traction. Double down on that one. Ignore the rest. Step 3. Launch publicly and repeatedly. Product Hunt, Reddit, Twitter, wherever your customers are. Don't launch once. Launch every time you add value. Build momentum through repeated exposure. Step 4. This is the most important step. Change your customer when you need to scale. Individuals don't pay much. Teams pay more. Enterprises pay even more. Same product, different customer, different price. This is how you go from $4,000 to $40,000 per month without changing the product, just the positioning. Step 5. Hire before you think you're ready. Marcus hired at month 13, when revenue was only $4,500 per month. That felt risky, but that hire unlocked the next level. You can't scale trading time for money. You need leverage, people, systems, automation. Here's what Marcus did right that most people get wrong. He didn't wait for perfect. His first 3 apps were terrible, but he launched them anyway. He didn't wait for a huge audience. He had 0 followers when he started. He just launched publicly where his customers were. He didn't stick to a failing idea. When his first 2 apps flopped, he pivoted immediately. No ego, just data. He didn't stay small. When individual customers maxed out, he went after teams. When teams maxed out, he went after enterprise. He didn't try to do everything alone. He hired help when revenue allowed it. That's the system, not genius, not lucky, just systematic. So here's how you replicate this. Action 1. Pick a skill. No code. Writing, design, video, whatever. Learn it in 30 days. Not mastery, just functional. Action 2. Build 3 things. Launch all 3. Imperfect. See what gets traction. Kill the losers. Scale the winner. Action 3. Launch publicly. Product Hunt, Reddit, Twitter, wherever. Launch repeatedly. Build momentum. Action 4. When revenue hits $2,000 to $3,000 per month, change your customer or raise your price. or both. Scale vertically, not horizontally. Action 5. At $4,000 to $5,000 per month, hire someone part-time. Developer, VA, designer. Get leverage. Stop trading all your time. Marcus went from $0 to $43,000 per month in 19 months. Not by being smart, by being systematic. He followed a process. He executed relentlessly. He adapted when needed. That's the system, and you can copy it. Starting today. Next video, I'll break down how someone went from $5,000 to $500,000 in 3 years using a completely different system. If this opened your eyes, subscribe, because we're deconstructing wealth one system at a time. Welcome to Wealth Systems.